welcome to the next video. In this video I will show you a basic and a very helpful command. So in this video we will talk about Torient Command. Torient Command is a very helpful and basic command of AutoCAD. With the help of this command you can rotate text according to the object placed. So let's start. First I will draw a rectangle and then I will draw a line in the diagonal of rectangle like this. Now I want to move this text to text here. I will off auto mode text like here. Now I will select into the size of this text by scale command, press enter, specify base point. Okay, let's increase this. Okay, now I will use Torient Command. The basic purpose of Torient Command is to rotate the text according to the object. So for example, this is my object and this is my text, so I want to rotate this text according to this object. So I will type Torient Command. The shortcut for Torient Command is TORI. Then press enter. So it will ask the message that specify or select the object. So I want this object and then press enter. So I will specify the points of the object. So this is my first point and this is my second point. As you see, the text has been rotated according to this object. Like I will draw a polyline, some sort of this, like this and this, and I want to rotate this text according to this object. So I will copy this text here, here and here. So I will apply Torient Command. So for Torient, TORI, enter, select the object. It's already rotated, so I will select this and press enter, select first point, second point. As you see, the text has been rotated according to the object. Rotate it again, so you just simply select this object and then press Ctrl+1 for their properties, rotation. As you see, rotation. So I will enter 0 here, and this it will rotate, and it will be rotated to its original position. Like for this, its rotation is its rotation is 4. So I will enter 0 and press enter. As you see, it has been also rotated. So in this way you can easily rotate the text according to the object. So it's a very helpful and basic command. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you.